The sounds of the ocean waves and the feel of the breeze on our skin are a priceless gift for me and my friend Annie on day 2 of our beach walk. Hi there, this is Violeta. Welcome back to my channel. Today is my beach walk day 2 with my friend Annie. We started our day with a hot choco, latte, and raisin toast at a nearby cafe. Then, we took some photos at the nearby park and by the rock pools. We took our sandals off and started walking along the shores, down to the rocks, and soaked our feet on the salt water. Our grounding simply involves connecting our feet on the ground to expose ourselves to the Earth's electromagnetic pulses for good health and well-being. We also soak ourselves under the early morning sun and showers of vitamin D, sometimes called the sunshine vitamin, because it is produced by our skin in response to sunlight. Grounding neutralizes free radicals that are generated through inflammation, infection, cell damage, trauma, stress, and our toxic environments. Grounding improves sleep, relieves pain, and manages stress. Freedom is when you are enjoying nature, inhaling the salty breeze through your lungs, grounding, earthing, being with a friend, leaving your cares behind, and just enjoying the moment. I took a moment to be with just myself, relaxing, earthing, and soaking myself under the tender morning sun. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comment below. Subscribe to my channel to get notified when I post my next video. We had a wonderful beach day, but it is time to go home. Thank you for watching.